Milky Way, a river of billions of stars. Humanity has always gazed at this light with wonder. But this light is a deception. At the exact center of our galaxy, hidden behind impenetrable clouds of cosmic dust, there is no radiant core. There is only a shadow. A scar in the fabric of space-time. An entity of absolute, consuming darkness. Welcome to Sagittarius A star. It is a supermassive black hole, 4 million times the mass of our Sun, compressed into a region so small that our current understanding of physics begins to fail. It is the gravitational anchor of the Milky Way. Every star you see, every planet, the entire history of human existence is bound to its invisible, tyrannical pole. We are orbiting a monster. Unlike the ravenous quasars of the early universe, Sagittarius A star is astonishingly quiet. It feeds only on scattered gas drifting through the galactic center. A sleeping giant, existing in a prolonged state of cosmic starvation. But this silence is an illusion. When a wandering star strays too close to the shadows, the giant awakens. The gravitational pull becomes so extreme that it grips the near side of the star with exponentially more force than the far side. The star is not swallowed whole, it is stretched. ripped apart, atom by atom, into a blistering ribbon of glowing plasma. A brutal, agonizing execution known as spaghettification. The devoured matter spirals inward, forming an accretion disk, a blinding maelstrom of superheated gas spinning at a significant fraction of the speed of light. Violent turbulence and magnetic forces heat this plasma to millions of degrees. In more active galaxies, such disks can outshine the combined light of billions of stars. Yet, at the very center of this blinding inferno lies the event horizon. The absolute boundary, the point of no return. A threshold where gravity becomes so intense that the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light itself. Nothing can escape. Not radiation, not information, not light. Once an object crosses this invisible line, it is forever lost to the observable universe. To fall into Sagittarius A star is to experience the death of time. If you were to watch a star cross the event horizon, you would never actually see it fall in. The immense gravity warps the flow of time so severely that the image of the star would appear frozen at the edge, slowly fading into a deep, ghostly red as time itself seems to grind toward a halt. But for the object falling, the descent is relentless, dragged toward what Einstein's theory predicts to be a singularity, a point where density appears to become infinite and our current laws of physics can no longer describe reality. We live our fleeting lives in the quiet, distant suburbs of the Milky Way, believing we are safe. But the monster at the center is patient. It will outlive the Earth. Long after the last star in the universe has burned out and died, the black holes will remain, the final rulers, lingering for incomprehensible ages, before even they slowly fade into darkness.